guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is KAWAIIMIKI and today I'm going to do my skincare and my daily makeup. So first thing is I going to get and put my face a serum that lifts my skin face and pat that so that it will firm. So I know it takes longer. And next is I have the baby skin Maybelline that can erase my pores so that I can have a skin that really smooth and radiant and glowing, and also baby skin to keep soft, you know, I don't want too greasy. And I look weird right now and organizing my stuff, but this Pond's white tone up is very the best for me. It is because it makes my skin whiter and glowing. I love Pond's so much, and in terms of skincare, Pond's is the best. Next is I have the CARELINE. I love CARELINE so much. It is because it's really suited my skincare. No, not skincare, but makeup. But daily makeup, indeed. Don't judge me using my hands. I loved it. Next is I have the Maybelline 02 Fit Me. And that is so good for concealer. To conceal my eye bags because I'm lack of sleep sometimes this night. And my school is busy. As a nursing student, it's so busy as always. Next is I have the Mod compact powder, and this is so good to to level all the dark spots that faded, like it need to fade in. Next is I have the EVERBILENA lip tint cheek stain. This is so good because it looks my cheeks more natural when you get into blush. Look at that. It's easily also to blend and I liked it. I know it looks weird, but this is my vlog, daily makeup vlog as an ooh girl and as a kawaii girl. So yeah, I really enjoy this stuff. So next is I have Pond's Tone Up, and this is so good because there is a little glitters that makes my skin more white. Not because I love to be white, but I loved it, So next is I have to do my eyebrows. I'm not good in eyebrows, but I'm trying my best to make it look good and even as possible. So I know it's kind of like hard thing to do as a girl, is like doing eyebrows. Next is I have this CARELINE pot. It is a multi-pot. It's a multi-purpose. You can use it as a cheek. I use it to many blushes as possible. Next is I have the contour. This is very important to my nose line because I'm not gifted to have a good nose line. So yeah, look at that. I'm not good at this, but don't judge me on how I'm doing my makeup thing. It's just simple and like cute aesthetic stuff. But yeah. Next is I have, look at me, jeez, I'm not good. Jesus, look weird. So next is I have the Marble palette highlights, and I use this for my nose highlights. Usually nose highlights, yeah. Still organizing my stuff. It's so messy, I don't like messy. So next is I have this highlights pro. And this is so good for my cheeks. There's a variety colors. This one there will be the gold, white, and the pink. So I choose the pink because I love to be like more exaggerate the pink blush that I used, because I love to be ooh, look at that, it's glowing cheeks. Yeah. So next is I have this rose from Fanbow Cosmetics. I love this so much, even though it's a bit hard. This is the hardest part to do eyeliner. When you are a cosplayer, you can very, you know, expert in this. So next is I need to be detailed my lower lid so that it will, like, you know, that's detailed, you know what I mean. So yeah, look at getting started to panic again. So yeah, like I want to exaggerate my eyes so much. I don't want to make it like pale or something and boring. So next is I have this Maybelline lipstick, and I shake it well and put it into my lips, and it's so good because it's so natural to look at, and I love it. It's aesthetic. So next is I have this Princess Essence Curl Falls mascara. So then I need to curl my lashes first to make it more good. So I use this for every daily makeup. There is a variety, 4 of them, but I usually use the green one because it looks more natural for me, I guess, but it depends. So yeah, I almost done. So next will be the finished products. See you later. So this is me already, the finished product as a Uwo girl. So as the end of this video, do not forget to subscribe, click the notification below, and hit like. Thank you.